Welcome! This is Brooke Klontz with the Brooke and Karlie channel, and today I'm going to talk about my 3 biggest pet peeves in romance. So, number 1, please make sure that when you write your main character, that he or she can exist independent of their romantic interest. They should have their own goals, their own motivations, their own things that they want in life that are separate from their partner. When your protagonist cannot exist without the love interest and has no character of their own, they fall flat and it becomes cheesy and not very good really quickly. I highly recommend making sure that your character is a strong, independent character. The second thing that I recommend is staying away from really cheesy descriptions. Some examples are comparing your final moments when they're finally kissing or finally having some shared intimate moment to something maybe that doesn't quite fit, like a lion roaring, like the excitement of a lion roaring. It starts to feel a little too much. Don't limit yourself as you're writing, just write, and then have beta readers look it over when you're done and say, is this too much? Do I need to take a step back, or is this not enough and it feels too flat? And do I need to take a step further? And then my final big pet peeve is overly domineering, controlling men who are obsessive. Stay away from it, it's not sexy. I promise you'll have a much stronger male lead if that male lead has their own goals and motivations that aren't around controlling the life of the female character. Avoiding these 3 pet peeves will help you write a stronger romance. Please like, share, subscribe, let us know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.